as we end, as always, do sa mga sanay na, what is one takeaway that you commit? You commit because we're gonna share this with your managers to put into action from today. And we're also gonna be checking on you on how successful you are or how challenging it is to apply what you learned. So in the next slide, I want everyone to take a few minutes looking at typing this on their phone or on their laptop. It will only take you 2 to 3 minutes, and you're gonna answer the question on the previous slide. What do you commit to put into action from whatever you learned today? Again, after this session, we're gonna reach out to you many times to ask you, fill up a form. It will only take another 3 minutes to 4 minutes, and explain to us how you applied what you learned and what did you experience from learning or from the application, so that we can know, how easy or hard it is for you to apply the learning. And of course, like I said, at the end of a period, we're going to ask you to summarize all of your experience, submit it in a mini thesis. It will only take you 5 to 7 minutes. So there's really, no excuse that we cannot do it because we simplified all of the surveys. And we're also going to survey your direct manager. And sometimes it depends on the situation, the client, if they have a clear interaction with you, to see how you are applying the knowledge that you gain. Again, this is a masterclass. After the training, application begins. It doesn't stop in training. Actually, the training is the beginning. It doesn't stop at the end of this workshop. It's just the beginning. So take 5 minutes to fill up this link. Yan. So we're gonna be sending you links later on for your check-in every now and then. You tell us how are you able to apply what you learned, and then at the end of the 2 weeks, we will remind you via email to give us a summary of the total 2 weeks that you applied the learning and the experience of applying that learning. And like I said, there's another email that goes to your direct manager, and sometimes it depends, our customer. Yan. So we will do this every masterclass, and if this masterclass is more than the elapsed time, we're still gonna do it for every session that we will have. We want to make sure that you learn enough to apply the knowledge that you gain, and that the way we teach you is simple enough so that you can easily pick up and understand and apply, so that it becomes a part of your competency tools. So thank you so much for your time. I'll catch you in our next session. Take care.